Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we have markets just a little bit easier overnight. July beans are down a penny at 10.51. July corn's down a penny at 4.96, and July wheat is down 4 cents at 5.65. There is a chance for some rains across some of the dry areas of the U.S. this week. As far as Kansas, maybe Sunday. We could see half to 1.5 inch of rains. April is supposed to be somewhat of a transition month for the western corn belt, so we could see half to 1.5 inch, local 2 inch of rains Sunday and Monday, and the next rain event would be later in April. Again, for the western corn belt and the southern plains, we could see some dryness return in May. As far as the Black Sea is concerned, it's warm and dry. China's weather is wetter in the south, but there is a section in the center part of China that remains dry, where they do have some corn and soybean acres. South America is still the same, with rains in central Brazil, dry conditions in southern Brazil and Argentina. I think we'll be watching pretty closely how the money flow is. Open interest continues to decline in the grain room as there's less bullish news. If we get these rains and the farmers get crops planted, and we do look for in May the USDA to come out with its first supply and demands for 25 and 26. They should show higher carryouts due to these better crops and possibly lower export demand, especially in the beans. As far as the outside markets are concerned, the stock market's a little bit higher. Dollar continues to trend lower. Crude's a little bit up. The metals, silver and copper are up. Gold's about unchanged. And we've got some talk that we'll be watching pretty closely, the impact tariffs has on inflation. We also note that Friday we're closed for the Easter holiday, so it's a short week. I don't think that'll either increase demand or trading interest or decrease it, but we continue to be in a relatively slow market volume trade.